Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we started learning about data modeling in Power BI. In this video, we will learn how to build a complete data model in Power BI using just three simple tables. We will load data, build relationships, and create visuals that give real business insights, all with just simple clicks. We will open Power BI desktop. We will load an Excel file with three sheets. They are customers, products, and sales. We will click on all these three sheets and click on Transform Data. We will go to the Customers table and select Use First Row as headers. Now we will click on Close and Apply. When we go to the model view, we can see there is a pre-built relationships between these three tables. Now we will go to the File tab and click on Options and Settings and click on Options. A new dialog box gets opened there and we will go to Data Load. Now we will uncheck Auto Detect New Relationships after data is loaded. We will also uncheck import relationships from data sources on first load. Now we will click on OK and we will click on transform data. Right click on the customer table and uncheck enable load. Do this thing for all the other two tables also. Now we will click on close and apply. Now when we go to the model view, we cannot see any table here because of the customization we have done so far. Now we will again go to the transform data option and for all the three tables we will enable load. Now click on close and apply again and go to the model view. Now we will create relationships between these three tables. Let's connect the tables to build our data model. We will drag customer ID from sales table and drop it to the customer ID in the customer table. We will drag product ID from the sales table and drop it to the product ID in the products table. We have now created the relationships between these three tables. Power BI understands how these tables are related. Now we will build some visuals here. We will now insert a clustered bar chart and in the axis we will select product name from products and in the value we will select quantity from sales. We will insert a pie chart for city-wise sales and in the legend we will select city from customers and in the values we will select quantity from sales. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about relationships in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.